looking to get out into the middle of nowhere, places that possibly don't have cell coverage, and you rely on your Google Maps to get you places, you're going to find things like this. I have no cell service, so that phone is totally useless as far as, well, any communication, maps. So it doesn't hurt to have paper maps, which I do, or also a GPS. So when I program in to the maps and I know I'm going to be going through, or suspect I'm going to be going through places with no cell coverage, I always put it in the GPS too. So just a little word to the wise. Oh, YouTube. Well, this is not going to be a very long video because there's not a whole lot of information, but I'm in north central, maybe, Nevada, but 88 miles away from Ely, and I believe the definition of middle of nowhere fits here. The highway down this washboard road is way over there someplace, about 6 miles away, maybe a little longer. The sign out there said 9. I think I came in about 6. But the road does continue past why I came in here. I came here for this. This is called Lunar Crater, and it is an ancient volcanic crater, and it's amazing really that, I guess because of the way the land is, it hasn't crumbled in all that much, although over there I think I could get down in there if I wanted to, but then I'd have to scramble to get back up. Over there might be a possibility. So it's just, I figured that I'm in the neighborhood and might as well stop. And there are other signs of volcanoes around here. You can see those little humps out there. Those are, this was lava flow. There is down the road, down the highway, there's a big outcropping of a big black lava flow. But, you know, this whole area at one point was volcanic. You don't think about it too much, but I'm going to hope they get a really cool sunset tonight. It's a little chilly. I think it's warmed up to about 40 here. When I got up this morning in Ely, it was 17. But the bus heater that I installed, you saw a while back, that kept the bus. I had it set down about low mid-range, and it was 51 inside the bus, which I was happy with. And then I cranked it up, and it warmed it up. Between that and the sun coming in through the windows, warmed it up pretty quick. So I'm pretty happy. I got it going right now to get the bus nice and toasty, and I think I'll curl up with a good book. But I'll just give you one more view here of the lunar crater. From what I understand, the Apollo astronauts, this is one of the places they came, not just the big famous meteor crater, but this is one of the places they came to get around in with an idea of what they might find with the steeper sides and so on before they went to the moon. So, pretty cool. You know me. I can't pass up a cool crater. All right, I'm gonna curl up with my book and relax, get a little lunch, and get on the road and head south. I'm working my way towards Jamie's van build. By the time you see this, it will already be going, or if it's not over. But hopefully you will have seen some other videos that I will add in on other days of the week from then. So that's the plan. I hope I did it. All right. I'll see you later, YouTube. Over that way is Area 51, somewhere in that general direction. And that way, I'll get out here to Route 6, down that way about 20 miles. I'll pick up the extraterrestrial highway, and we'll travel the length of that and see what we can find. Who knows? Maybe I'll finally see an alien. An open range means you're going to have things like that. A cow just walking across the road, and believe it or not, they got the right of way. So if you hit one, you are not going to be paying supermarket prices for that beef. But you are going to be paying.